Okay, this is Mr. Zhong, your science teacher. So today we're going to talk about scientific diagram. First of all, scientific diagram is a very important uh, scientific diagram. It's a very important communication method. Okay, because this is very good at showing how the equipment was set up in every experiment. Okay, so as you can see, for example, here, so you can see there is a setup talking about how to boil a beaker of water. Okay, so however, if we want to show it on the paper, we cannot draw this diagram directly. Okay, instead we're going to use scientific diagram. So in this scientific diagram, not only you can see that we have some very simple illustration, for example, a thermometer, a sanding clamp, and a beaker of water, somehow like that. And also we have some label. These are called label. Okay, these labels are very important because this can somehow tell you what are these things. Okay, so right now we have some rules that we have to follow if we're going to draw a very clear and easy to understand diagram. Okay, it's very important. This diagram should be clear and easy to understand. So here are some rules that you have to pay attention to. Okay, so you can see that although I have a QR code right here, in fact I found this QR code shows a very good PowerPoint slide. So I try not to make another one. So but however, I have summed up these rules that you need to follow when you're going to do good drawing. Okay, first of all, always use sharp pencil. Remember, pencil. Okay, no ball pen, no any other pen. Okay, just pencil, and also sharp. So if that scientific diagram of certain apparatus, they are straight line. If they are straight line, so you have to use a ruler. You have to use a ruler. Okay, and when you draw lines, please remember that they are one single line and they are firm. What does it mean? No, these tough line. Okay, no, one firm line, one firm line, firm. Okay, no broken lines. Okay, no broken lines. Okay, so it should be, all diagram should be simple. 2D diagram will do. And don't close any opening of the container. Okay, no shading is required, nor coloring. So you need to do your label, and remember, label with a straight line. Don't use an arrow. Okay, so for example, you can see from the top here, so there's no arrow. They just straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. So some of you may notice that, oh wow, Mr. Zhong, there's an arrow right here. Well, in fact, this is a special indication of showing that where is the heat source. Okay, where's the heat source? So this would be the exceptional case. Okay, the arrow here is allowed. Okay, but the remaining one, don't use an arrow. Okay, and you have to make sure that the equipment should be drawn in a correct proportion, which means in correct ratio, and they should be touching each other if they are required to touch with each other, which means that no flying beaker, no flying a tripod, whatever. Okay, and try to make good use of the space. Okay, don't draw me a very small diagram. Okay, so these are some rules that you have to pay attention to. Okay, That's it. So I suggest you, you can spend some time to study the PowerPoint slide. These are very good one. Okay, that's it today.